All right, guys, Mark from parkflyers.com. Today we want to highlight something special that a lot of people may be overlooking, and that is the Widemaxx kit. It's the Widemaxx kit. It'll go directly on your Mini MAXX, and it'll make it the same width as the new Mini XRT, which is really popular right now. 20 millimeters wider, so it's 10 millimeters aside, basically 20 millimeters wider front and back. The car is going to be a lot more stable. So we basically went and installed the Widemaxx kit on this Mini MAXX. If you see, we installed it in the red arms. Comes right now. It comes in all colors. Right now we have black and red in stock. Grab them now if you want. We have the link below. It'll help us a lot. But anyway, we installed this on the kit. We took it out for a drive, and we wanted to say it has all the stability of the Mini XRT. Now, of course, some of the suspension geometry is different on this car. This sits a little bit lower. It looks like they put stiffer fluid in the shocks out of the gate. We're going to do a full review on this car soon, but this car is the one we want to focus on. So a lot of people have bought the Mini MAXX. It was my best-selling car for 2024 and 2025. Everybody loves it, and I know that because of sales and the upgrades. The amount of upgrades that we sell are tremendous. Very big success for Traxxas. They did really good with it. And the reason why we're highlighting the Widemaxx kit for the Mini MAXX is that so many people have it, and we don't want to forget about them. You really can take this car for 30 bucks. I mean, that is really cheap. $29.99. It comes with all the components you need. The universal halves, all the arms, the steering link, everything's in the box for 30 bucks. It's a great deal. Very, very smart of Traxxas to do that. This way, they're not going to alienate all their customers with the Mini MAXX. And then you could throw basically a Valenian system in this car to make it go as quick. It's definitely going to be able to handle the speed a lot better. We took it out for a drive, and we really were very surprised about the performance. Now, on the original, not to confuse everybody, but on the original Mini MAXX video, it was called Mini MAXX Done Right. In the video, we highlighted that the Traxxas compound has different front and rear tires, so we switched them. We actually opted for the harder tire in the back. This way it would actually be less prone to wheelies. Now on this particular setup, because it's wider, it actually affects the geometry of the car. It settles down much nicer. So we actually went back to the factory setup with the stickier tire in the rear and the harder one in the front. It actually runs the best with that. Otherwise, you're going to spin the car. Very, very nice on this setup. Again, you want to put it back to the factory spec of the stickier tire in the back and the harder one in the front for best performance. Now, not to make you confused, but on this car, when the Traxxas rep came and he showed up with the car, we took it out for a spin. It was wheeling like crazy, and that's because it has a different tire on it. This has more contact patch than the Mini MAXX tire. So on this car, you do want to switch them because we took it out. We tested it in both ways. It's much more stable. It's much less prone to wheelie, and it's just going to take off like a rocket. It'll lift up a little bit, but it's going to be a lot more fun to drive if you switch, put the harder tires in the back and the stickier ones in the front. Now we want to show an upgraded tire for the Mini XRT, and that's this little response wheel and tire. Comes in this format, also in a solid white. It's going to be a little bit lighter than the stock tire, and the interior foam of these tires are much better. If you feel it, they're really, really filled with a beautiful foam like all response tires are. The stock one is just a little bit of hollow feeling, just like the Mini MAXX one. These are good for overall just bashing around, but these are going to be good for if you want to take it to a track or do some competitive driving. This is going to be a little bit better tire. Really nice, $32.95 for a set of two, and they really beautiful, and they complement the car. It actually looks a little better too than the stock tire. If you look at it, it just looks a little bit better too. But anyway, beautiful upgrade for both cars. You could do it on the Mini MAXX as well. But anyway, let's highlight how well this drives with the wide kit on it. Really stable. It handles all the power that you could throw at it. It's not going to roll like a typical Mini MAXX has a tendency to roll over quite often. With the Widemaxx kit, it's not going to roll at all. Really nice. And again, Traxxas made a very nice move by releasing that Widemaxx kit. 30 bucks and you can make your Mini MAXX as stable as a Mini XRT. Anyway, it's Mark signing off again. If you're interested in the Mini XRT, we have pre-orders going on now. If you want a Mini MAXX, we also have those in stock as well. We have upgrades are going to be trickling in for both cars. They're both attached to both products. If you want to order from us and support the channel, it would be great. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one, and have a great day.